Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how does Xlookup work in Excel. So Xlookup is not widely used. Usually people prefer VLOOKUPs. Xlookup is used in cases if you want to obtain the value towards the left. Because in VLOOKUP you can only find the value which is towards the right and not left. So that is why in such cases Xlookups are used. Also there's one more feature which is available in Xlookup. If suppose the value is not found, then you can specify the text which you want to display, which is not available in VLOOKUP. So now let me show you how does Xlookup work. If suppose, let me copy this column city here. Okay, suppose I want to if I want to suppose find the ID of city, that is the column towards the left. So let me show you the formula of Xlookup. So just type Xlookup. The first parameter is search key. That is the value that I want to search. So here that is Boston. So I have specified that is column G and row 2. So G2. Now the second parameter is lookup range. This is the column where this value is present, which is column B here. So specified B. Now my third parameter is result range. This is the column which we want to obtain here. So here I want to obtain ID, which is this column. So I specified that. Now my fourth parameter is missing value. Suppose if this city is not available, then what is the text that we want to display? Here I want to display not found. So I'll enter that. And if you notice, I have also closed the bracket. So now I'll enter. Okay, now you can see I've got the value of Boston, which is same as ID 07351. So that's correct. Now let me drag my formula. Okay, so here it is. Now suppose I enter some city name, suppose this. So this is not available, I know. So I can see the text as not found, which is correct because that is the text that I had written. So that is how Xlookup works. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.